Hello. We're back at it again. Hannah's hiding. Hannah, you're blurry. What's our 그래?
거의 세.
근데?
야 예쁘대.
What's our plan for today?
Toner and root.
Reverse. We're gonna do our roots first because they've grown out 8 weeks now. Ta-da! 올려야지 올려.
올려요.
8 weeks. We're gonna tone down this orange.
웨이비 됐어.
It looks like 태연.
왜?
Huh?
아야 태연이래. 내 편으로 왜 저렇게 생겼어? 야 찍지마.
우와. 우와. Nice quadrants. Beautiful. This is gonna help us give a lot of visibility to our application for our 4 sections. I'm using the Blonde Brilliance Express 9 level lift extra strength. So this is gonna let us get high really quickly. 40 developer for sensitive scalp. We do need a 40 developer because she is pitch black, but the sensitive scalp will help reduce tingle and reduce irritation. So very good. There is no dilution of the actual effectiveness of the product, apparently. Recommended by the sales associate.
Okay.
1.5.
Is this enough?
I think so.
라파.
사실은 탕수육 사줬어.
누가? 나 당신 완전 좋아해.
그러니까.
뭐가?
아주 좋아하다. 로렌 사줬잖아.
오.
너 그거 완전 그거 완전 사람들도 웃겼대.
Oh, really?
Really? Yeah.
피콜로 같아.
How long did we wait?
I don't know. 40?
We had a casualty. This is my V shirt. I'm so sad. The bleach sprayed on me. I should have known to change. Unsafe. I'm gonna use the Wella T14. We're adding a blonde color and a blue ash color to further tone and add a little bit more base to the toner. Lauren was cold, so she has 4 towels on. Blankie.
야, 봐봐. 싫어! Why is it soaking?
You're so cold. Yes! Your head is frozen. Warm your face a bit.
It's okay.
Wait.
오징어.
잠깐만요.
Oh, look at that.
No, 잠깐만. It's like dripping.
It's like dripping off and like contaminated. 이거 켜주세요, 선생님. 아, 이날을 기다렸어요.
수고했습니다.
감사합니다.
Ooh. Smoky. We just put shampoo on her. It looks like so ashy. I know.
우와, 이거 뭐야?
예쁘다. 예쁘다.
미역. Can you wipe it? I don't want. Oh my god! Did it dye my face?
Guys, it's 1 a.m. El mariachi.
여기 노랗구나. I see what you mean.
Yeah. So before you shower, brush with actual brush. And then after you shower, make sure it's conditioned and then put your products in and then comb with like 이렇게 큰 comb.
없죠.
사.
사야겠다.
사야지. That's gonna make your hair not dry like with all the tangles.
진짜 고생한다. 내가
재밌어
뭐라고?
근데 너무 재밌어.
내가 뭐라고?
Lauren.
True. 나 로렌.
Lauren.
Lauren. When I was registering school, you're supposed to write
In
your
Korean?
child name, right? He spelled it Lorren, and then they have to put that on their document.
Right. Your
My
spelling
name
is
was
different.
Lauren. 그래서 나중에 바꿨어. 그게 너무 문제가 돼가지고 grade 8.
My name is still Name.
Nami.
My mom, when she first came here, she wrote EE because probably in high school she was taught. No, I didn't switch it yet. Welcome to Nami's Ratchet Salon. I don't have my mom's metal brush, so I'm using this plastic one. Mine is like pink and yours is like green. It looks ashy though, more ashy than before. I think we needed the violet. We needed to put purple.
예쁘다.
이쁜데.
나 만족한다.
그래? For me, it's like a little bit of the yellow is showing through. So if we use purple to mix it into the toner, it would have been.
예쁘다.
You're drunk with sleep. Because it's 2 a.m.
수고하셨습니다. 수고하셨습니다.
You too.
수고하셨습니다. 네, 감사합니다.
Oh, yes, you too. Oh, yes. Da-da-da-da. Bye.
See you soon.
See you. Thank you for coming. Sorry you had to stay so late. 오 예쁘다 색깔. Bye. Today's feature comment is from Rochelle. I always get nervous when Oni's video title contains the word bleach. Don't lie, Rochelle. I know you love it. I know you love it. I know everyone loves it. To be honest, it's kind of fun. I like tripping you up with bleach, but I get stressed sometimes tripping myself up with bleach. And thank you for enjoying the bleach videos. Still learning. I hope you also enjoyed this one. Definitely make sure to subscribe if you did and hit that bell notification to become part of our Nacho fam. I also post every day on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Snapchat, so I'll check you out on those platforms if they are platforms that you use. And I'll see you next time. Bye.